This app here is called Sweatcoin and it pays you for just walking. And on this video, I'll be telling you how to use the app, how to get the app, and also other things you need to know about the app. Please subscribe button down there so that you won't miss the upcoming videos like this. So then, let's get into it. Okay, firstly, let's talk about how to get the app. The app is available on Play Store for Android users and App Store for iPhone users. You can just head on to the Play Store now and download it from there, or you can head on to the App Store and download it from there too. Secondly, how to use the app. After downloading the app from App Store or Play Store, then you will open the app and you will be told to sign in your Google account. After signing in, the app would request some permissions from you to use some of your phone features like Google Fit, used to calculate how many steps you have walked. Then after that, the app will start running on your phone background constantly to calculate your steps. The step you have walked earns you some amount of Sweatcoins, and 1000 steps is equivalent to 1 Sweatcoin. You can use your earned Sweatcoin to purchase some Apple products, like for example, you can purchase a $29 Apple AirTag with 2000 Sweatcoins. That is, you need over 2 million steps to be able to purchase a $29 Apple AirTag, which seems crazy. And thirdly, other things you can use the Sweatcoin app for. Firstly, offer. The Sweatcoin app gives you some offer for each day, like for example, you can luckily get an Apple iPhone case for just 60 Sweatcoins. Secondly, daily rewards. Use some daily rewards after walking 500 or 1000 steps. Thirdly, daily 2x boost. The Sweatcoin app gives you 20 minutes every day to boost your steps, which is you can get double of the amount of Sweatcoin from your steps. Fourthly, purchasing from your location. You can use the Sweatcoin app to purchase some products from your location. And lastly, donations. You can also donate willingly some Sweatcoins to organizations to help them with their projects. That is it about the Sweatcoin app. Click the subscribe button down there for more tech videos. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.